YouTube, and welcome to lesson 26 of the Adobe InDesign tutorial series. And today we're going to look at how to use gradient swatches inside of Adobe InDesign. So for the gradient swatches, what you can do is you can go over here in the swatches panel and you can click over here. So once you click that, you can see that there's something called new gradient swatch. So you can click it and you can see that it brings a swatch option right here. So you can say, you can rename the swatch. Let's say I'm going to rename this to green swatch, and over here you can type this the type of the swatch. So I'm just going to choose linear for now, and then over here you can see that you can choose the color. So you can just click over here and then you can change the color right over here, as you can see. This is the center color, so I can actually move this around and you can see that I can change the center color as well, just like this. And then the end color, you can just select the color over here from the swatches itself, or go to the lab color or the CMYK or RGB color, just like this. So that is how you can apply gradient, as you can see over there. So you can also press OK and you can see that this is the gradient swatch that actually appears. So you can actually drag in a shape and then you can see that the swatch color is there. So you can go over here onto this gradient tool and click and drag, and you can see that you can actually drag on gradients just like this. So you can drag out like this and that will actually bring out the gradient just like that, as you can see over there. So you can actually also go over here and then change the type of the gradient over here. So you can see that the type of the gradient over here is linear, so I can change it to radial and press OK, and that brings out a radial gradient, as you can see right there. I can click and drag and you can see that you get a radial gradient effect just like that, as you can see over here from the gradient panel. Alright. So now over here, what you can do is you can create a range of gradients. Alright, so you can also create new gradients over here, and then you can see that I actually have 3 colors. So if I don't want the middle color, I'm just gonna click and drag out the middle shape, and you see that I only have 1 color right here. What you can also do is alternatively change the diamond shape right here, and you can see that the dominant color actually changes in the gradient just like that. So what you can also do is you can click on the spot below. So what it does, it brings out new colors. So if you want a 4-color gradient, then this is how you bring in the 4-color gradient, just like this, and press OK, and you can see that there's the new color right here. You can also see that there's the swatch option right here, and you can rename the swatch into 4-color just like this and press OK, and you can see that it'll bring out the 4-color gradient just like that. So that is how the gradient swatches work inside of Adobe InDesign. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.